today, yes, today, our sourdough has been fed and we're finally gonna make a bigger bread. I did my first ever sourdough bread at the start of the day. This is what it looked like. It was really good and delicious. However, I did it in the span of one day. And this time, I'm gonna try and make it with a whole day and a half. So I'm following our home cooks. And I'm currently doing the outer layer of the starting mixture. And then after that, I'll add in the salt and then the starter.
I just feel like this is gonna be a great bread, you know? Just get this feeling.
So we've fed the starter, outer layers, salt and dough. And now we're stretching and folding. Look. And now it's gonna bench rest for 30 minutes. And then we reshape and proving basket. Now we're gonna put our bread dough, proving in the fridge until tomorrow morning. Yes, you heard me.
Tomorrow morning?
Yes, tomorrow morning. So I've come from my run. I'm not a runner, but it was the nicest pace I've done. I didn't stop once. It's around 5.7 kilometers in 28 minutes, more or less. You can see the details over here. And now we're gonna take care of our bread, score it, and put it in the oven because it's been out of the fridge for a while now. Oh my god, it smells so good and so crunchy. Melted butter in this just done